Hi guys, I bought one of this Innovv ThirdEYE unit. It has three functions: a blind spot detection system, lane change assistance system, and a rear collision warning system. So I'm just gonna do a bit of an unboxing and installation on a Triumph Street Triple motorbike, and then I have a follow-up video after this, just on-road test, real-life test of it. So here's the box. It's always a nice, pretty box from Innovv. This is the installation manual for both the mirror and the watch type. And then the unit itself with a bunch of accessories, lots of brackets and 3M sticky stuff. This is the sensor, really high quality aluminium alloy, waterproof, well, IP67. These are some markings to help you angle it down 10 degrees for installation. It's got a 150-degree line of view and can detect up to 64 targets to 50 meters back. It has to be installed with the Innovv brand at the top towards the sky. They use the standard plugs that you would have come across if you have a Innovv K3 or K5 camera system. It has a 3-amp fuse, and this is the watch type unit. Same material. It has a button to turn off the sound. It has a speaker, little hole at the back, and it's got two red LEDs behind each car looking icon there on the screen, and the motorbike, which is meant to be you, that's a blue one. And yeah, it's a pretty decent size, enough so you can see it and not too big on your handlebars. There you go. And easy to connect, plug them together and screw those metal bits and to secure it in place. That's it. Some good info before installation is to be connected to the accessories and between 9 and 16 volts. It has to be angled down 10 degrees, plus minus 2 degrees. And somewhere between 40 and 90 centimeters height from the ground for it to be optimal. I put a couple of brackets together to try and make it work. It's not the prettiest, but it works. I might replace the longer bolt with a shorter one, but apart from that, I found the perfect spot for my motorbike. I've used the bolt that holds the number plate in place to hold this bracket as well, and it sticks out a little bit towards the back, so it's not interfering with the light, and because it has a 150-degree angle of view and not obstructing anything the way it's mounted now. Then I had a little hole drilled previously for another project. It just comes right at the bottom of tail tidy and comes straight up to near the battery. This is the main unit. I connected it at the front near the other Innovv remote controller. Again, a couple of brackets there. It's not the prettiest, but we'll see if I'm going to improve that or not. But for now, that's where it is. Ran the cables just beside the other ones, and near the air box, and under the tank, and yeah, all the way to the battery. This is the pair of wires that power the license light, and yeah, just tap into that. That's the accessory. That's what I've done anyways. Spirit level, a mini one, so we can fit there nicely. just to find the 0 point horizontal, and then be creative with a protractor to find the 10-degree angle down. Don't forget to peel the plastic, it's crucial for it to work correctly. And yep, done. It took me a couple of hours to get it all installed because I had to put all those brackets together and find the best mounting spots and run the cables tightly, but it came out alright. If you want to see it in action, I made another video on road review, real life test, just to see how it all goes. I put a link in the description and also on the screen you can click to watch it. Thanks.